Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day of your choice. Up above on this shelf, I have two cats having a fight. They're batting at each other. It's very entertaining, but I cannot pan this up so you can see it. So you're going to hear some cats jumping around. That's what happens here. So I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. My day is pretty good. I just got my Allure beauty box. Allure beauty box. It's heavy and I can't wait to see what's in it. So please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. My channel is precious to me. I know I haven't been putting out a lot of videos, but I haven't had a lot of stuff to record, so that's it. So when I have things to record, I'm recording. And I am still doing that decluttering series with, you know, should it stay or should it go? And some of that's doing good. And this is what we have here. There's always a pretty lady on the cover of this little pamphlet. There's some good stuff in here. There's some good stuff in here. Allure, what are you doing to me? You're fucking bringing it, Allure. You bring it every time. You bring it to the ball every time. Last month was fantastic. We had a full-size Sunday Riley retinol serum. And this month we have a full-size glow recipe. Watermelon niacinamide dewdrops. And I am all about some niacinamides right now. And while you'll love this is a powerhouse that can boost radiance, decrease redness, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and pigmentation. And this is a gel texture that's perfect for summer. And this is $35. Woo! Let's get the tally going to see how much we got in this box. $35. That's a great start. Let's take a peekaloo. It's gorgeous. Look at that. My hand is a little shaky and awkward. Look at that. That's fantastic. I'm really excited to have that. What a wonderful thing to have in our box. I mean, this is a $25 box. $25 box. And we already have that. That's fantastic. Next up, from Saturday Skin. I love Saturday Skin. We've got the Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. This is one decadent moisturizer. As the whipped texture sinks into the skin, it feels deeply moisturizing and leaves complexions velvety soft with a natural looking glow. There's no obvious residue, so as it layers seamlessly under sunscreen and makeup, the scent is faint when you first apply it, fresh and pleasant like a citrus candy, and it fades after it dries down. And this is $45. Fucking A. Box already was $80. And that is full size. Very, very nice. When you hold it up to the light, it's not quite all the way full. It's like got it at an angle. But that's still good. I'm still excited about it. Two great items from two great companies. What else is in here? From Aveda. We love Aveda. This is not full size. This is the Aveda Nutriplenish Leave-In Conditioner, just in time for the season's humidity-induced frizz. This leave-in conditioner smooths flyaways without dragging down your roots or flattening your hair's natural texture. And it's easy to apply, just a quick mist. And the full size is $13 for 30 milliliters. And this is 1 fluid ounce. So let's call this $4. I have to make up the price because, you know, it's not there. Now we have from Natura Echoes Tucumã body lotion. That's a great size for traveling, and I'm traveling this weekend. So that's great. While you love it, the first thing you'll notice is a warm, sexy scent transports you to the beach. Then you'll quickly realize how soft and smooth this body lotion leaves legs and arms, making it perfect for summer. $27 for 400 milliliters, and we got 30 milliliters, so let's call that $6. I'm just making up prices. This is a great box so far. I'm really loving it. And then we have another full-size thing, 3 full-size items. And this is the Tea Tree Special Detox Kombucha Rinse. While you love it, the pointed nozzle makes it easy to apply a clarifying treatment right into your scalp where it delightfully tingles and rinses clean. Whisk away days worth of hairspray, dry shampoo, and beach trips, while adding shine, a perk you don't often get with clarifying rinses. And this is $28.50 for 6.8 fluid ounces. And this is full size. So $28.50. Our box is up to $118.50. It's amazing. And there's still one more thing, and it's teeny tiny. It's teeny tiny. Oh, look at a missing tooth. I'm working on getting my tooth. I am. I'm in the process with a dentist as we speak. But this is great. This is April Skin Keratin Imp Hydro Melt Cleansing Balm. This is also perfect for traveling. It looks like a potted lip balm. It feels every bit as hydrating, but it works a little magic by taking your longest wearing eyeliner, brightest blush, and creamiest lipstick disappear poof. And this is $28 for 90 milliliters. And this is so tiny I can't even read it. But this will be great for my trip. It's so precious. It's so precious and tiny. And you don't need hardly any of the balm to. It smells pretty good, and that's what it looks like. It's pretty full for that little travel size. I'm going to say that this is $3. So I'm going to say the box's value today is $121.50, which is fantastic for this box. This box has been bringing it. Wake up, Ipsy BoxyCharm, wake up. This box is killing it. So we have this great face melt. We got a body lotion, we got the hair rinse, we've got the spray and conditioner, we have the moisturizer, and we have the niacinamide drops. Fantastic. That is what I say, fantastic. And I'm super thrilled to have this box this month. Love it so hard. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.